Welcome to day 7. Today we're going to work on single leg chair pose, just strengthening through the ankle one at a time. So whenever you're ready, we'll come to the top of the mat, hands at heart center, connecting with your breath. Then your next inhale, we'll sweep those hands all the way up overhead, exhaling to fold forward. Inhaling to your halfway lift, flat back, exhaling to fold forward. Then stepping back with your right foot, we're going to inhale, sweep those hands all the way up overhead, lifting up towards your crescent pose. Then from here, we're going to come towards our warrior 3. So bending at that right knee, inhaling to lift, rising up, extending it through those fingers and toes, staying strong through that left foot. Then if you can, in one motion, we're going to bend that right knee, slowly driving that right knee up in front, sweeping those hands up overhead, creating length and towards the spine. Then when you've gained balance here, we're going to cross that right ankle on towards that left thigh. Then when this feels comfortable, slowly bending in towards that left knee, lowering those hips as low as you can towards the ground, coming in towards that single leg chair pose. Just grounding in through the left foot, gripping the mat with those toes if needed, staying strong through your core, and relaxing through your shoulders. Then when you're ready to come out, we'll slowly straighten out through that left leg, then slowly uncrossing that right leg, bringing that right knee up in front. Then on your next exhale, dropping that right foot down and bringing those hands to heart center. Taking a moment to shake it all out, letting everything go. Then we'll bring those hands back to heart center. On your next inhale, sweep those hands all the way up overhead. Exhaling to fold forward. Inhaling to your halfway lift, flat back. Exhaling to fold forward, stepping back with your left foot. On an inhale, sweeping those hands all the way up overhead, rising up towards your crescent pose, tucking those lower ribs in, staying strong. Then finding your way in towards that warrior 3, bending at that left knee, inhaling to lift, stepping up, catching balance if needed, extending it through the fingers and toes, trying to keep those hips square. Then bending at that left knee, we'll slowly draw that left knee up in front, sweeping those hands up overhead, staying strong through that right ankle. Then placing that left ankle on towards that right thigh. And then when you're ready, slowly lowering those hips, finding your way in towards that single leg chair pose. Connecting in with the breath to find those deep inhales and letting go with your slow exhales. And just really grounding in through your right foot. Then when you're ready, slowly straighten it through that right leg, uncrossing that left leg, knee in front, and then slowly stepping that left foot down, bringing those hands to heart center. And that wraps up week 1. We will see you next week for day 8.